Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Microsoft Teams for completely free. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening any web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Microsoft website, which is usually the first link. Once on the site, look for the Download Now button at the top and click it. Now, click on the button named Download for Windows and the file should begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Setup file. The installer will open and start downloading the full application. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. The file size is around 150 megabytes. After installation, launch the application. You will need to log in. If you already have a Microsoft account, use that. If not, you can create a new one or use your Google account to sign in. So that's basically how you can download Microsoft Teams for completely free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.